Things are getting very exciting over at Umidigi. In this video, we're going to be talking about the all-new Umidigi Power 3. So let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about everything that there is to know about the new Umidigi Power 3. Now, several weeks ago, this device was leaked online, and I did make a video here on the channel covering it. Now, that video was full of a lot of predictions because not everything was completely confirmed. Now, thankfully, many of my predictions have proven to be correct, and I want to go over everything that there is to know about the phone in this video. The first thing I want to mention is that you can actually pre-order the Umidigi Power 3 right now on AliExpress. I will be leaving a link in the video description to where you can access that. Now eventually the device will be available on Amazon in the US, but I'm guessing that won't happen for at least a month from now because they have to ship all of the units over to Amazon's warehouses. And the second thing I want to mention is that Umidigi is actually putting on a giveaway right now to give away Umidigi Power 3s. So also check out the link in the video description if you'd like to enter into that giveaway for a chance to win one. So we now know the pricing for the Umidigi Power 3. The device is going to be offered at $199, which is definitely a very good price point. That's kind of the sweet spot that I've noticed, especially for many of the people that watch my videos. So I'm happy they decided to go with a very competitive price. With the phone, we're getting a 6.53-inch display at 1080p. So always good to see a 1080p display. It looks like the display itself will definitely be very large in size. We're getting a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Then on the back, we're getting a never-before-seen from Umidigi quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera, an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. So I personally do not have a ton of experience with using macro cameras, but I have noticed that that's starting to make its way over to more and more devices. And wide-angle cameras are finally becoming more mainstream. We saw this year with the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro that Apple has introduced wide-angle to their devices for the first time. Of course, other brands like LG and Samsung have been doing it for a longer amount of time. But it looks like wide-angle is finally becoming more mainstream, and I'm very happy that Umidigi is offering a wide-angle camera with the Umidigi Power 3. We're getting 64 gigabytes of internal storage with the device with SD card expansion, and we're getting 4 gigabytes of RAM. 4 gigs of RAM is definitely nice to see in a budget phone. You can't really ask for much more than that at a $199 price. The device runs the MediaTek Helio P60 processor, which is the same processor that's featured in the Umidigi F1. It's definitely a higher end, mid-range processor that combined with that 4 gigs of RAM should give you very good performance. We're also getting a fingerprint sensor on the rear with the device. Now there's a reason why the Umidigi Power 3 has its name, and that's because the device has a very massive internal battery. With the Umidigi Power 3, we are getting a 6,150 milliamp hour internal battery, which really is incredible. With that, we're getting 10 watt fast charging, and this is pretty amazing, we're getting reverse charge. So you'll be able to use that massive 6,150 milliamp hour internal battery to charge other devices. So if you have a double-sided USB-C cable, you can stick one end into the Umidigi Power 3 and stick the other end into your other phone, and then you'll use the Power 3 to charge your other phone. So pretty incredible. And finally, the Umidigi Power 3 is shipping with Android 10, which is the latest and greatest version of Android. And it's a stock experience. So if you like stock Android, you're definitely going to like the Umidigi Power 3. So I'm really interested to know what you think about the Umidigi Power 3. Can you see yourself buying this? Are you excited that we get 4 different cameras with this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And again, don't forget that you can now pre-order the Umidigi Power 3 on AliExpress, and Umidigi is running a giveaway of their own to give away some units of this device to you. So make sure to check all that out. Let me know what you think of the phone in the comment section below. But this is Kevin Breeze here. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for my other Umidigi coverage, and I will see you in the next video.